Curry, nice fake to get rid of Holiday. Launches and hits Steph Curry from downtown. Curry again. Puts it in. Curry finds Durant. Gets a good look. Right back out to Curry. Puts up the three. Puts it in. Curry. Double team. Bang! Oh, what a shot from Curry. Davis right in his face. And it's a 2-point game. It's 109-104. We have a quarter to play. Curry launches again. And again knocks it down.
Off the inbounds. George got the flyby, and that swishes home. Paul George, another three. Thunder can get a little closer here. Paul George, that is a three. And it's a 10-point game here with 6:38 to go.
For a foul.
Midway through quarter number 4. George feeling it, still feeling it. Make it 3 consecutive from downtown. It's 3. Dinwiddie had it deflected. Jeremy Grant with the steal. Here comes George. Lays it up and in.
Time to put pressure on the Nets.
Ball, Paul George elevates, and the Thunder is dunked off the feed from Westbrook. Thunder trying to dig even closer. George to the rim. The reverse is up and good, and it's down to 6. George, another three? No. Adams back taps it to George. Drives, hangs, floats, counted on the foul.
And that's the break you needed right there.
George between his legs goes out. Allen hangs and scores.
The Nets can't afford to foul either.
Schroeder to get it into Westbrook. Westbrook over to George. George got the flyby. 3 on the way. He's good with 3.1 seconds. George gives the Thunder the 2-point lead.
Able to handle it, but couldn't finish what he wanted. Now looking to post up Tatum. There's the quick spin. Layup's good. Celtics just 2 of 6 to start. They shot 63% in the first quarter in game 1. And James knocks down the 3. James tries another 3. That's good. This lead. Shot clock at 4. Love back out. James well beyond the arc. Gets the bounce and it drops in. James and Morris one-on-one. James to the rim. Throws it up and in. Get another possession. James corner jumper. LeBron James exploding here to start. James picks up his dribble. Shot clock winding down. James falling away. A 3. Oh, it's good. LeBron James. As Larry Nance has come on. James drives on Jaylen Brown. Splits the defense. Can't get to the ball and chips it in with the left hand.
To back. 7 to shoot. Russell. Step back jumper is good. Allen had said, look, the hardest thing for me is learning how to be good for 82. Russell hits the jumper and immediately points to Allen to thank him for that screen. Russell already with 10 points in the quarter. Weaving, taking, how about 12? D'Angelo Russell. Russell, you know he's feeling good. You bet! Time to dance, fella!
They've scored 10 points in 9 minutes.
Matthews moves it along. Luka, open corner 3. That is what the doctor ordered.
And before I forget, let's
Next
go
Houston
back.
foul means free throws for the rest of the way for the Mavs. Luka just hit a 3. Then Harden missed one. That's the state of affairs in the last 30 seconds. With Houston having an 8-point lead, then cut to 5, and now cut to 2. Back to back.
Free throw shot at this juncture in the game.
Crowd waiting for Luka to do something special.
It has gotten mighty loud in here right now as the Mavericks have scored 6 straight. It's all been Luka, and now he makes it 8 straight. How's that for Luka magic? Tucker denying Luka. Barnes got it to him though. Screen by DeAndre. Capella switched on to Luka. Luka with the step back 3. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Been there a lot tonight against the smaller defenders.
Quick shot for Zach.
continuing to build on that career-high night from three. Looking for the high-low pass. Arcidiacono diving on the floor. Here's Zach. Building on his 37, going for 40. He hits!
Give me the hot sauce.
Just the 3 points. Levine has 40. Levine has 43 and 11 three-point makes. What a night for him.
Putting the paper and social media. Oh, man. Oh, wow.
It's his kind of night.
Oh, wow.
Oh, Zach, 46 on 12 three-point makes.
They get some defense here. But they got to steal.
They got it right back. The Bulls with another chance. Levine.
Oh, stop it!
No.
Stop it!
Zach.
Off that weave, Irving against Lillard. Kevin Love picking and popping, and hitting for three. The fact he was tangled up with Davis.
The Cavs are doing a good job so far making other guys beat him.
Love flared out. They left him wide open. They don't know. Love is in the air.
And then they're going to have to play help defense in the paint.
Love again. Like layup. LeBron James gave it up. Love again. Are you serious?
Defense after the double team.
He Plumlee got the arm. Kevin Love. Oh, come on.
Love is not in one spot at any given time, just doing a lot of different.
Love again. Oh, come on. He's gone video game. Among other future NBA guys. Kevin Love. Oh, he found his throat. Lillard will back him down on a spin move. Davis came to help. It left Kevin Love open. Of course he made it.
Last minute of this second quarter. Allen defensively trying to hang with Lillard. And that's a tough end.
He's something special.
21 for Lillard. You got that?
Yeah.
And he's got it. He's got it going right now. 26 for Damian Lillard. Of our booth. Mike, what do you got?
Oh, the Blazers continue to be bitten by the injury bug. Rodney Hood is Damian Lillard knocks down the three. Rodney Hood questionable to return this game. We see him not start in the second half.
Lillard, he has. Nets want a timeout.